This is a 2025 Denago XL6. 4 facing forward, 2 facing backward. You can also flip down the rear deck as you see right there, or you can put it there if you want people to sit there. Lithium powered, 2 speeds, 15 miles per hour and 25 miles per hour. Let's take it for a spin. We're in Woodstock, Georgia. Golf Cars of Woodstock. See our website, golfcarsofwoodstock.com. We're on Highway 92, 1 mile east of Main Street, 2 miles east of I-575. These have disc brakes as well as independent coilover shock suspension. You can Bluetooth your radio with your phone, so you can listen to your music or you talk on the phone through it. It's got USB ports, lots of miscellaneous cubby storage and whatnot. The XL6 is a relatively new model. It's got a shorter wheelbase than the XXL, as well as a tighter turning radius, so it's a little bit easier to drive. In the back also, it's got a sound bar back there with LED lighting. You can Bluetooth your radio, so you can crank up your music however you want to. Seat belts are standard. Some killer cars parked down through here. Also, tiltable steering wheel. You can tilt it up and down however you need to. Got a shop back here that does wrap jobs on Teslas and very expensive cars. Pretty awesome stuff. We just opened our shop in middle of October 2024, so we just moved into town. We also have another dealership in Canton, Georgia, about 25 minutes from here. Woodstock is a very busy golf cart community. Main Street area is right down the road from us, so we can do deliveries right to your home, as well as most service and maintenance. We can come to your home and do most of it. Look outside here. The typically goes between 20 and 40 miles, depending on how fast you drive and how many people are on it, and how many hills you go up and down, that sort of thing. So it can range anywhere from 20 to 40 miles. Charging can take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. We recommend that you keep it charged and you charge the battery. Don't let it go below 20% on the status of charge. Denago is a relatively new brand that has really become popular in the past year or two. They make good carts with lots of nice features, lots of handy features that most people really want. They've been a great seller for us. They're among our most popular brand now. We're also a club car and star dealer. And the Denago big seller for us. Well, another cool thing is the windshield. Windshield can be folded down if you want, or leave it up. It also has little vent slots on the left and the right, so if you just want a little bit of airflow, you can do that just by the turn of that dial and slide it open or closed. Very cool. A little bit breezy today, so it's a little bit windy coming through the microphone and the camera, and here we are. Golf Cars of Woodstock. Woodstock, Georgia. You'll see our social media links in the description. Phone number, website. Talk to John or Dave in sales, and we will be happy to help you out. Y'all come see us. Y'all have a great day.